Hi, I'm gonna tell you how to apply synthetic division. Let's see the how-to and an example. First, the first part of the synthetic division is to check divisor of the form x minus a. If divisor is not of the form x minus a, we couldn't apply synthetic division. Excuse me. So, there are some methods of substitution in which you can change divisor in such a way that you can get it in the form x minus a. However, it's better that you be sure to apply this substitution to check the form of the divisor, or if you have no idea, do not apply it. Do long division. There's another video to explain long division. So check divisor of the form x minus a. Second step, list coefficients of dividend, bring down first coefficient, multiply it times a, add this multiplication to the second coefficient, repeat the steps, and give the answer. Remember that to learn algebra is just to know some steps and apply it, and apply it, and apply it, and apply it. You don't need to know a lot to understand synthetic division or long division or factoring. You just need to follow the steps. If you follow the steps, you will get anything, and you could do anything in algebra. Let's see how this works. We're going to work with an example. You can see the example here. 4x to the 4th power minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 divided x plus 2. So let's check the divisor of the form x minus a. So it's x plus a number. So yes, it's of the form x minus a. So divisor is of the form x minus a. Okay? Some students ask me in class, hey teacher, but it's plus 2. It's plus 2. So you have to change the sign. So a is equals to negative 2. Okay? Now, list coefficients of dividend. Okay? By notation, we're going to write in the corner of our organization a. Okay? Negative 2. And we're going to put it inside a half square to know that this is a. Now we're going to list the coefficients of dividend. So dividend starts with coefficient to the 4th power, that is 4. So 4. There's no coefficient to the 3rd power, so you had to write 0. Coefficient to the 2nd power is negative 2. Coefficient to the 1st power is 3. And coefficient to the 0th power is negative 1. Okay, these are the coefficients. Now, next step, it says bring down first coefficient. Bring down first coefficient. So we're going to bring down 4. We wrote a horizontal line that is gonna give us the answer. So we're going to bring down 4 and multiply first coefficient times a. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Okay, and we're going to add the multiplication to the second coefficient. 0 plus negative 8 is negative 8. Now repeat the steps 3 and 4 until you finish with all coefficients. Negative 8 times negative 2 is 16. Now add the multiplication. 16 minus 2 is 14. Now multiply 14 times negative 2, negative 28. Negative 28 plus 3, negative 28 plus 3, negative 25. Multiply negative 25 times 2 is 50, and 50 minus 1 is 49. Okay, we repeat the steps until we finish with all coefficients. So we have the coefficients here. Now I have to give the answer, taking into account that the last coefficient found is the remainder. So this is the remainder. This will be to the 0th power, first, second, and third power. What we do in synthetic division or in the division, we have a polynomial to the 4th power divided a polynomial to the 1st power. So the degree of the answer, the degree of the quotient should be 3rd power. So we start 4 to the 3rd power. So answer. Answer. So the answer. Remember that there are many ways to write an answer. I prefer to write it doing factoring, but you can write it as you like. For example, I'm going to show you both ways to write the answer. The first way I usually write my answer is that the division is equal to, and remember, this is 4, so 4x to the 3rd power, okay, 4th power and 1st power, so 3rd power, minus 8x to the 2nd power plus 14x minus 25 plus, and we're gonna write the remainder. Remainder is 49 over x plus 2. Okay, this is the first way to write the answer. The other way to write the answer, I prefer to use this because it helps you to understand factoring as some way to have factors. So 4x squared minus 2x, 4x to the 4th power minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals to, so divisor x plus 2. Now we're going to write quotient 4x to the 3rd power minus 8x squared plus 14x minus 25 plus 49. This is how you can write the answer using synthetic division, and this is how you apply synthetic division. Thanks for watching. See you.